this?
Oh, come on. You'll love it. Tractor tipping's fun.
This is ridiculous.
All right, listen. When I say go, we go. But don't let Frank catch you. Go!
Whoa, who's Frank? Mater! Wait, Mater!
Okay, here's what you do. You just sneak up in front of them and then honk. And they do the rest. Watch this. I swear, tractors is so dumb. I'll tell you what, buddy, it don't get much better than this.
Yep, you're living the dream, Mater boy.
I don't care who you are. That's funny right there. Your turn, bud.
Mater, I can't. I don't even have a horn.
Baby.
I'm not a baby. Fine, stop, okay? All right, I'll do something.
Walls of fire! Dead ahead! Huh?
That's Frank. He's going to get you!
Doesn't look like close contact with a Koopa Snoot did it any harm. We can make it!
The wilderness of Montana has proved to be a real challenge. From the mountain peaks to the desolate plains, it's a place that tests the mind and body in equal measure. And my body and mind has survived. I'm out of here.